Kernicterus is a rare condition that affects the brain. It is also called bilirubin encephalopathy. This condition is mainly seen in newborn babies, especially human infants, but sometimes animals can get kernicterus too. Kernicterus happens when there is too much bilirubin in the blood. Bilirubin is a yellow substance made by the body when old red blood cells break down. Usually the liver helps remove bilirubin from the body. However, if there is too much bilirubin or if the liver is not working properly, bilirubin can build up in the blood. This buildup can be dangerous because bilirubin can damage the brain. Kernicterus is not contagious, which means it cannot spread from one animal to another. But some of the things that cause kernicterus, like infections, can spread between animals. It is important to keep animals healthy and see a veterinarian if they show any signs of illness. There are a few reasons why animals might develop kernicterus. One reason is if their body makes too much bilirubin. This can happen if they have a condition called hemolytic disease. This disease makes red blood cells break down too quickly. Another reason is if their liver is not working properly. The liver is like a filter that cleans the blood. If the liver is damaged or not fully developed, it cannot remove bilirubin from the blood effectively. Sometimes, the tubes that carry bile from the liver to the intestines can get blocked. Bile is a fluid that helps the body get rid of bilirubin. If the bile ducts are blocked, bilirubin cannot be removed and builds up in the blood. Some animals might be more likely to get kernicterus because of their genes. Genes are like instructions passed down from parents to offspring. These genes can make some animals more sensitive to the effects of bilirubin. Kernicterus can cause different signs in animals, depending on how much bilirubin is in the blood and which part of the brain is affected. One of the most noticeable signs is jaundice. Jaundice makes the skin, gums, and whites of the eyes look yellow. This happens because bilirubin stains the tissues yellow. Animals with kernicterus may also seem very tired and weak. They might not want to play or move around as much as usual. They might also have trouble walking or moving their limbs smoothly. This is because bilirubin can damage the parts of the brain that control movement. In some cases, kernicterus can cause seizures. Seizures are like electrical storms in the brain that make the body jerk or twitch uncontrollably. Bilirubin can also damage the parts of the brain that control hearing, leading to hearing loss or deafness. Animals with kernicterus might also behave differently. They might seem irritable, restless, or depressed. They might not want to eat or drink as much as usual. In severe cases, kernicterus can lead to coma or even death. Section 4. Diagnosing and treating kernicterus. If an animal shows signs of kernicterus, it is important to take them to a veterinarian right away. The veterinarian will examine the animal and ask about their medical history. They will also perform some tests to confirm the diagnosis. One of the most important tests is a blood test. This test measures the level of bilirubin in the blood. The veterinarian will also check the animal's liver function to see if it is working properly. In some cases, the veterinarian might recommend imaging tests, like an MRI or CT scan. These tests can create detailed pictures of the brain and show if there is any damage. Treating kernicterus involves reducing the level of bilirubin in the blood and managing the neurological symptoms. One way to lower bilirubin levels is through phototherapy. This treatment involves shining special lights on the animal's skin. The light helps break down bilirubin into a form that can be easily removed from the body. The veterinarian might also give the animal intravenous fluids and medications to support liver function and help the body eliminate bilirubin. In severe cases, a blood transfusion might be necessary. This involves replacing the animal's blood with blood from a healthy donor. Section 5. Prevention and control of kernicterus. Preventing kernicterus is all about addressing the underlying causes of high bilirubin levels. This includes diagnosing and treating any infections, liver diseases, or other conditions that can lead to jaundice. It is especially important to monitor bilirubin levels in newborn animals, especially those from breeds that are more likely to develop kernicterus. Providing newborn animals with proper nutrition and hydration can also help prevent the condition. For breeds that are known to be predisposed to kernicterus, genetic counseling can be helpful for breeders. This can help them make informed breeding decisions and reduce the risk of passing on the genes that make animals more susceptible to the condition. Remember, kernicterus is a rare condition in animals. However, it is still important to be aware of the signs and seek veterinary care immediately if you suspect your animal might be affected. By taking steps to address underlying health issues and monitor at-risk animals, we can help prevent this serious condition